Hi, this is Juan from CureUV. Today I'm going to show you some of the great improvements on our GermAwayUV Centurion, as well as do a quick unboxing and show you how to connect it to our mobile app. Now the first thing is that this is a team lift. A lot of people think they can lift these by themselves, they end up dropping them, it creates all sorts of chaos. So please be safe, be good to your body. Even though it's only 45 pounds, it is a team lift. So I'm going to get this up on the table now. Jay, if you'll help me. All right. This is the manual. As well as the remote. And click here. Try not to touch it because grease lowers their life. It'll make it click, and we are good to go. So we remove this part, we remove this part, this part, and then we go deep inside and we pick it up with your buddy. Now we're going to take it out of the bag. Get him because he's doing it. Okay, thank you, Tom. That is all we need. You good here? And then add new device. So first we hit this. So we go here. Wi-Fi setup. Just okay. Right. Go to settings. Wi-Fi. Centurion. Now, device connected. Do not hit OK. So here, already connected. OK. This is just to show you your current status. Filter status good. Click at control mode, showing you who's controlling the system, whether it's the remote or the app. So if I were to use the remote, it tells you it's being controlled by local remote. All right. But I can go back to controlling it here automatically. So I want it to go faster. 600, 900 RPM, 1080. I can speed it up to full speed. Above high, max. And if you want to turn it off, but because of the motion, it turned right back on because it's on motion clean. And this is UVC on or off. Motion clean is when someone walks into the room. You can either have it turn on automatically or not, and you can be alerted about it. And the motion clean mode, I want it to be low. So if I go to quick control and I turn it off, it'll turn right back on because of motion clean, the scheduler. Now let's go into here. I want it to start at 6 a.m. Okay. I want it to turn off at 12, 10 p.m., 9 p.m. Okay, and then I turn that on. And I can do it like that. And you change the speed of whatever you want. I want to do it low. There it is, low. Okay. Maintenance, status of the bulbs, and the virtual status of the bulbs, and the virtual remote to make it easier. Some people don't want to deal with it, so we copied this. First things first, make sure that the screen is off and the unit here is off. Should be on the off mode here before you ever open it. It will turn off automatically if you open it, but it's always good to practice good safety habits. UVC light is very dangerous if you look at it directly. So you unscrew here through the power of TV magic. We've already unscrewed most of these. The rest are actually in your packet so that you don't have to unscrew so many. We only put 2 in before sending it out. And then you remove the plate holding the filter assembly and move this out of the way. And then take your bulbs, take them out of the packaging. And really go flush against here. Flush. And then slide this in. The next one. Put this in first. And then go flush. You'll hear a click, very satisfying click. Cover back on, and you're good to go. So first we have the MERV 8 filter. As you can see, it's blue. This is made in the USA, which is kind of cool. Then we have the most popular one now, and what it comes with by default, which is the MERV 13. This is made by us, although not in the USA. And finally, we have state-of-the-art compound filter with activated carbon, HEPA, and titanium dioxide. Now, that's all that we have for this. But if you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out. We would love to hear from you. Have a great day.